In this video, we've put together reviews of top 5 RCA cables available right now. Despite the popularity of HDMI cables, many devices still rely on RCA cables. These cords transmit unbalanced mono audio signals by connecting to audio and video devices like TVs, camcorders, speakers and more. Check the links description below. Okay, let's get started with the video. Starting of our list at number 5 is the Amazon Basics 2 male to 2 male RCA cable. The Amazon Basics 2 male to 2 male RCA audio stereo subwoofer cable is the best option for you to choose. It is available in 3 sizes of 4, 8, and 15 feet, which is ideal for comprehensive home theater setups, professional environments, and even classrooms to ensure every student hears with total clarity. You can also purchase this RCA cable in multiple pack sizes, with both single and 5-pack options available. It operates at both high and low frequencies, which makes it one of, if not the most, versatile options available for both professional and recreational use. The cable setup is durable, with corrosion-resistant gold-plated and full-metal connectors that guarantee peace of mind and remove the fiddly frustrations you may find with lesser options. The ends are also color-coded in red and black to make the setup even more straightforward, especially for those who readily admit they are not the techiest people in the world. At number 4 is the Monoprice 1.5 feet Premium 2 RCA cable. This 2-channel Monoprice 1.5 feet Premium 2 RCA plug protects from both RFI and ME interference for uninterrupted clarity and excellent results whether you want to play your favorite album or stream the latest ultimate movie. The smooth connection is like a flowing river of noise into your ears, while the firm connection ensures straightforward listening. The connectors are gold-plated for long life while the color-coded rubber rings make it easy to slot into the correct port. We found other cables are slightly more flexible, and this option is not as long as others, but for a simple bedroom or home studio setup, it's ideal. Our guide to the best portable Bluetooth speakers features more great products that are compatible with this cable. Top 3 at our list is the Amazon Basics RCA cable. When all else fails, we can always look to Amazon's own for a great deal, and the Amazon Basics RCA adapter is no different. Here, you're getting versatile connectivity for smartphones, tablets, and MP3 players into devices like tailgate speakers and many more, while the left and right input ensures clear and balanced audio. With dual shielding, your sound is protected and the corrosion-resistant plating keeps this cable lasting through many nights of you dancing in your living room after everyone's gone home. The connection is secure without feeling too tight, but the plugs feel too fat for you to grip properly. We know this won't affect everyone though, and with lengths as long as 25 feet, it's ideal for either home or professional use. Moving up at number 2 is the Fosmon A1602 RCA cable. Our best value pick comes in the unique form of the Fosmon A1602 RCA splitter, which maximizes your connectivity options at a spectacular price. It's compatible with all devices, and you need not disconnect anything when ting to switch inputs, which saves time, especially if you're trying to beat the next mission. You need no external power source for easy convenience and connectivity, while the one-touch switch makes it easy to use. It may feel a little cheap to some, but for simplicity and effectiveness, you can look past that, and the performance speaks for itself. Be sure to check out our reviews of the best lightning cables for more amazing products like this. And at number 1 is the KabelDirekt RCA stereo cable. Available from 3 feet to 25 feet, this KabelDirekt RCA stereo cable boasts versatility with its premium 2-channel design, making it a dream for lovers of crisp, clear audio whenever they need it. It's core shielded to provide protection, while the dual male-to-male style allows it to connect your audio receiver to your home video system with ease. This ensures top-of-the-line signal transfer and pristine audio, so it feels like whoever is talking is right next to you. The setup is easy to use and the cables feel tough, but not too tough that they are difficult to maneuver. The red and white text can be a little difficult to read when the lights are dim, but if you ever needed an excuse to get organized before the movie starts, this is it. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.